The sun on my face, the sand between my toes. Ah, sunny Barcelona. Never been? You should visit. Here, you'll find a normal-looking building. Concrete, glass, kind of boring. Until you know what happens inside. This is a place where dreams are made, but it's no Hollywood. Here in Catalunya, the capital of trial, we're committed to building the best trial bike there is to get your butt off the beach and on the gas. Man, I wish I could do that. I hear it takes some practice. And by the way, did you know that riding trials is the best training for riding skills that there is? Just like Adrian, we love riding. We think about it going to bed, when do we wake up in the morning, or of course, when we head into the office to go to work. Hey, cool it. We're getting there, all right? Welcome to the all-new factory of the most legendary of Spanish trial brands, GASGAS. Hey, Lyle, you're dressed for business today, huh?
Of course, it's an important day. We have a big bike release.
That is right. Now, the typical GASGAS rider chooses off-road riding for fun and leisure, but it is not just a hobby. It's a passion. And here, well, this is where we fuel it. Today, we're going to introduce you to a brand new trials machine and show you how we built it. But first, a little bit of brainwashing. So, let me tell you something about GASGAS. GASGAS is a motorcycle brand that's got some serious history. We live and breathe for riding on two wheels. Maria, your turn.
Bikes are our business. It's in our blood. A brand built for riders by riders. And we've been doing this since 1985, starting with a bike like this, the GASGAS Heli 325. And we mean business. Over 37 years, GASGAS has built over 250,000 bikes with 28 different models distributed through more than 70 countries.
Nice. Now, like any trial ride, we've had our downs and ups, but in 2020, GASGAS joined one of the best family of bike builders there is. But don't worry, we are not going to lose our Spanish flavor.
Come on.
No, gracias. Estoy trabajando. Now you may ask yourself, what gives us the knowledge and skill to design the best trial bike around? Well, I'll show you. We've got the very best factory riders in the world. These guys live on their bikes, and their work is an extremely important part of our research and development process, and they take their jobs very seriously. What are you guys doing?
Research.
Riders. Testing in challenging environments with the factory team is an essential part of our workflow because it lets the riders educate us on design and development decisions. Of course, when they're not playing ping pong. Next up, the R&D department. This is where the idea of a bike is born. And it's all thanks to a team of people who are incredibly passionate about one thing, bike design. With the resources and technology from the Puro Mobility Group and the knowledge and experience from the trials team at GASGAS here in Spain, we've got the right mix of people to build a bike that's super reliable and incredibly rideable. Adrian, how's that bike look?
Looks sick.
You think we should show them?
I guess you showed him already. Give me the racket.
Don't worry, we're getting there. GASGAS makes bikes for people who love to ride. And we hope that's you. For years, we've been dominating trials with the GASGAS TXT Racing. And we've managed to stay on top of the hill with a bike that's ready to go to battle right out of the box. But now, it's time for a revolution. And this is where it begins. This is the factory floor at our brand new production facility, where we build 15 new bikes every single day. I can't believe they let me drive this thing.
Hey.
Hey, it's Addy, man. What are you doing here?
Dude, I'm here to pick up my new bike.
Sick.
Is it finished yet?
Let me go check on that for you.
Hey, by the way, you got a license for it?
Shh. Ever since GASGAS started in the back of a parts store in Girona, the brand has always been about one thing: getting more people on two wheels. We make it easy and accessible, but also exciting and inviting. However, let's go get to work on Taddy's bike. Welcome to the GASGAS factory assembly line. The first place you start when you're going to build a bike? Right here, the engine, the beating heart of any motorcycle. This single-cylinder two-stroke is a proven platform now built to the highest standard of Austrian engineering and quality control. Powerful, punchy, and of course, damn near bulletproof. With a redesigned ignition, improved cooling, and a lower center of gravity, it's a perfect platform for a trials machine. Wow, this thing weighs almost nothing. When it comes to assembly, you don't start from the ground up. In fact, we build the bike from the engine out. So the next step in the assembly line is this, our brand new frame. This laser cut and robot welded piece of pure beauty is expertly crafted of tubular and casted steel, and it's paired with a forged aluminum front hanger, which creates a connection between the steering head and the skid plate. The new frame gives the rider better feedback, absorbs more energy, and increases stability. It's the most revolutionary thing about this bike. Agility, precision, that's the role of suspension. And it's time to put it together, so let's get to work. The new rear shock absorber from Tech offers top performance and maximum traction on the rear wheel. And the new CNC machined triple clamp gives you a light, predictable feeling from the front of the bike. Very cool. The new shorter front fork with specifically designed seals enables precise handling and of course is adjustable to suit your suspension needs. The most important part for any trial rider, the clutch. It's the best in the market, nearly maintenance-free, long-lasting, and just like the brakes, incredibly precise. Brand new bodywork that's almost unbreakable, while still being light and comfortable, allowing for endless freedom of movement. All this comes together to build something special. With no further ado, I introduce the brand new 2023 GASGAS TXT Racing and the TXT GP. This is the best trial bike on the market, right here, right now. So let's celebrate. We poured our heart and soul into building this bike because we love riding, whether it's rally, motocross, enduro, or of course, trials. You get that bike, Teddy?
Of course I did. You don't need these.
Thanks. A day riding might feel like a day at the beach, but we know it's not easy, and that's why we love it. So when you get the chance, grab a TXT Racing and be part of the tribe, united in the dirt and getting on the gas. Hasta luego.